All right, so today is the fun day where I'm gonna rip out all this and rebuild it full height so that way we can add a little bit of space to our tiny living room. I don't know, he was maybe here from like 12:30 to like 4:30. So the first thing we're doing is just pulling the electrical out so we can actually take these walls out and save the wiring. There's some old stuff we're not going to use, like we have like the old coax for the cable for the TV, but no one uses cable anymore, so that's going. It's not necessarily overwhelming to me to have to do this whole project by myself, but it still is so helpful and takes just a huge load off of my shoulders to have someone like my dad who's willing and able to come over during the week on his free time to help me do projects like this. You think it would just go out?
I tried pushing it, it'll come in pretty easy, but out it seems like it might go now. It was like it's catching over here a little bit. That dog will hunt.
A little bit closer to the dumpster.
Yep. I'm talking about. It's a Butte Clark.
Now, doing this small expansion to the living room was really an easy thing. My dad suggested it, and really that was all I needed to push me over the edge. The floor was already bumped out to accommodate this weird fireplace built-in thing. I realized that adding that extra floor space to the living room would really help to combat the fact that the room is kind of small and it's going to be a tight layout. So even though it's only an addition of about 30 square feet, it still is a huge addition at the end.
Here, hold it right there. Let me see if I can pull this way.
Oh, yeah? Beautiful thing.
See if we can both lift up here and get it to bust loose. Ready, 1, 2. That's what I'm talking about. And then see if you can push out. Maybe I can just pull out here. Yeah, there we go.
Love it. You know, we got here an hour and 20 minutes ago, so I feel like we're doing pretty good on time.
Demo, baby.
And I might even say that the demo might even be harder than harder maybe, but I'm not sure what's going to go faster, the demo or the building.
Well, I think the building we know we can do quick, so.
Nice.
Go to your home. Beautiful.
All right, so now you can kind of see the space that we've opened up. There's gonna be a little bit of a dead space over here between this floor and the chimney. But what we're gonna do is we'll come up here. We're gonna be a little bit lower than that corner, and then we're gonna go up at an angle following the same pitch at the roof all the way. And then that's gonna get just a short overhang past the floor, so it'll overhang further than that roof and a little bit past the chimney. We're basically gonna build it, that's called a rake wall when it's like diagonal like that. And then on the inside, that'll give us plenty of room to frame the arch. But I feel like it should be pretty cool. So we'll see how that goes. It's a nice nail gun, Interchange Pro. This one's used. My buddy got it out of a dumpster. And this thing works phenomenal.
For siding, you've only got a single 1.5 inches here to hit until from here down, then you got full.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, well, you may realize that it's evening now. The sun is set. It's about 6:10 or so. The last shot I recorded right before this was probably around 10:30. But my wife had a hair appointment and I had to watch our boys, and then just timing and stuff worked out to where I was gone and couldn't get back until just now. Anyways, that's where the little delay is coming from, but not a problem. We'll be able to get plenty of work done with that. So I think my buddy Ethan, who you've already met, and my buddy Zach, who I don't know if you've met Zach yet. Anyways, I don't know if you've met Zach, but I think they're both coming, maybe even Nathan too. So hopefully I can get this thing buttoned up and get the roof put back on it before it gets dark, because I really don't want to leave this giant hole in the side of my house overnight. So anyways, let's get to work. So the first thing I would like to get done before I finish this up is just get this trash pile out of the way, because I was lazy this morning and just dumped it all here. So anyways, I'm gonna get started on that.
All the boys just got here. I'm so excited. I did not want to do this by myself. What up, dude? Man, I'm so glad you guys are here. No worries. Oh, hallelujah.
What a fucking drive.
Oh, yeah. Saving the day. Shoot, Zach will just take it by himself. Yeah, I guess that's true. That we should be able to pull off.
Now, I know it seems like a small thing, but the way my brain works, keeping a tidy space is really hard for me, especially when I'm working by myself. So even though the first thing they do when they show up is just help me clean up, it really helps me in so many ways because it helps me to just declutter my mind and be able to just focus on the work that I need to do.
Measure this sheet first. It's alright, I guess I'll just cut it in place. Freaking scrub.
Now, I talk pretty frequently about how I really wish it was easier for young people, including myself, but especially my friends, to get into homes and to be able to have a home for their families and for themselves. Which is why I really love being able to help my friends when they have their own projects and things similar to this. But what's really awesome is just to see how it comes around when you do help others, being able to see them rally around after a full day work. They're willing to come here and help me with my own house to be able to put something together, to be able to achieve a dream that the way the system is created is not easy to achieve for someone in my position and someone in our position. So anyways, if any of the boys are watching this, I seriously appreciate you guys. And to anyone else watching this, never underestimate the value of close friends.
Well, I pulled it off, finished the wall, got it closed in. It actually only took us like 30 minutes with all the boys. So I told them, well, whoever wants to take me up on it, I'll buy them steak dinner. So then I'm back tomorrow and gonna build the roof. And hopefully Zach's gonna come help me. Zach's a weekend warrior. But hasta luego.